Hello students, today we are going to discuss about system of measurement of angles. There are three system of measurements of angles. One degree system, second radian system and third grid system. Degree system is known as English system. Degree system is known as English system. Today we are going to learn about only degree system. In this system, first we will explain only degree system. A degree system. Students, degree system is known as English system because the measurement of angle as a degree is given by the country of England. That's why it is known as English system. In this system, we measure angle in degree. So we can say it is denoted by like this symbol, and 1 degree is also divided into 60 equal part. Each part is known as minute, means 1 degree equals to 60 minute. This is the symbol of minute. And 1 minute is also divided into 60 equal part. Each part is known as second. So we can say 1 degree equals to 60 minute and 1 minute equals to 60 second. So whenever we want to express any angle, we can't express in the fraction form. We need to express in degree, minute and second. That is the right part of expressing degree system. So this is the symbol, you must know, this is the symbol of minute. So you can observe and read as 1 degree equals to 60 minute and 1 minute equals to 60 second. Okay, suppose here 40 degree, we read as 40 degree 30 minute and 20 second. Next 20 degree 50 minute and 40 second. This is the symbol of second, this is the symbol of minute, and this is the symbol of degree. So we are going to explain the example how we can express in degree, minute and second. Suppose here 125 by 125 by 2, that is the degree form. We will have to express in degree, minute or second. So first we can divide 125 degree from 2, we will get 2 6 are 12, and here 5 2 2 are 4. Here 1 degree will be remainder, so we can write here 62 degree, and here 1 degree is we will have to convert into minute by multiplying 60. So we can write here 1 into 60, that is the 60 minute. Again we need to divide 60 minute from 2, so we will get here 30, and here, so we can write here 62 degree 30 minute, means when we want to express 125 by 2 degree and degree, minute, second, you can write here 62 degree 30 minute and you can write 00 second. Okay, next suppose we take another example of degree, minute and second. Suppose here example number 2, 1 4 3 by 3, that is in fraction form. We need to change into degree, minute, second. First we will have to divide from 3 143 degree. So here is 3 4s are 12, and here 3, and here 23, 3 7s are 21, and here 2 degree will be remainder, so we can write here 47 degree. Again we will have to change 2 degree into minute, so we can write here 2 into 60 equals to 120 minute, and we will have to divide from 3, so 3 into 120 minute, so here 3 into 43, 3 is 120, so here is the minute, so we can write here 40 minute and 00 second. Again we can take another example, 43 by 7 degree. We want to express 43 by 7 degree in degree, minute, second. So you can observe here, first of all we will have to divide 43 degrees here, so 7 6 42, and 1 degree is the left, so we can write here 6 degree, and 1 minute is left, so we will have to multiply from 60, so we will get 60 minute. Again we will have to divide from 7, so here is 7 8 here 56 minute, and 4 minute is also remainder, so we can write here 8. Again we will have to convert into second by multiplying 60, so we can write here 240 second. Again we will have to multiply, divide from 7, so 240 second, 7 3s 21, here 3 0, 7 4s 28, here is the second, here is also second, here is also second, here is also second, here is 2 second, so 2 second is already remainder, so we can't express any more smallest unit, so we can write here 34 second, because the smallest unit of degree is second, so we can write here approx, means 43 by 7 degree. When we express, so we the value of 43 by 7 degree in degree, minute, second is 6 degree 8 minute 34 second in approx, because 2 is a remainder. That's why. Next, if we want to express any degree, minute, second part in fraction form, you can see question number 4, means you can observe example 4. Suppose here is 4 degree 30 minute and 20 second. If you want to express 40 degree 30 minute 20 second in fraction form, you can observe, you can change like this way. Here is the 4, and 60 minute equals to 1 degree, so we can write here 30 by 60, and here we can write here 20 by 3600, because 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. If we can write here 1 degree equals to 60 minute and 1 degree equals to 3600 second. So if we want to convert degree minute into minute into degree, if we want to change minute to degree, we will have to divide from 60. If we want to change second to degree, we will have to divide from 3600. So here we can write 4 by 1 by 2, and here 2, we can write here 180. So the LCM of 2 and 180, we can write here 180, and 184 is 720 plus, and here 90 plus 1. So if we will add 720 plus 91 divided by 180, so you can add it 1 9 to 11 and 9 718 by 180 degree. That is the fraction form of 4 degree 30 minute and 20 second.